Okay guys, so I've screwed on the new pedal. It's looking good. The nut is back on here and the bolt is back on as well. The last thing that I need to do is to insert this connector here so that there we go. And it's quite easy, guys. This is so easy peasy. But like I said, you need the right knowledge, you need the right tools, and this could be a lifesaver. When we went to the dealership to go and service the car, they wanted to replace this part, but the part only cost twice the amount at the dealership than what it does at the spares outlet. This was half the amount we were asked to pay at the dealership. Yeah, but it was a learning experience. I didn't know cars could have issues like this, but I'm glad I went through this. And here's the old pedal. Wow guys, and this is just plastic. This is all made of plastic. It's hard plastic, but it's plastic. This is not even metal at all. What a wow. Okay.